Hey everybody. So this high flow swipe is just an attempt to try something that I've done before but never on camera. So instead of swiping with a normal acrylic color mixed with Floetrol or whatever your normal mix is, I use the high flow pearl for this high flow swipe. And I also use a damp paper towel. And that tends to be my favorite way to do a swipe. And you just connect it with that top color and pull it gently down and very softly over the other colors. This was a painting I did use silicone, and I got a lot of cells popping up there. But you'll see in the end I decided to go for something a little different and unusual, and that's kind of my style. So I did the initial high flow swipe with the pearl and then continued on. So I'll let you sit back and relax and enjoy and watch, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and every single comment I read and I try to respond. And all I can say is keep letting me make these art videos for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.